start, you need these.
So I'm gonna start grinding this off. And then let's see what I want to do after that. So we're gonna run out of battery, so that's enough. I'm gonna grind this down with this little baby belt sander. We'll do that too. This one is beautiful for getting in tight to reach spots. Beautiful. Hard to reach some places, but that'll look good once it's covered up a little bit. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna take these self-tappers out and probably gonna weld this whole edge right here, which will be a pain, but it'll be good once it's done. And then I've got to finish this part up down here. It's a cosmetic looking thing. So keep watching. So I just welded some of these where I had the self-tapping screws in, and I'm going to weld the back side of this. So it's, I mean, I probably don't have to since it's going to be covered with a steel plate, but can't hurt to make it stronger and look pretty, right? Even if it's hidden. Because again, who's going to own this car next 65 years? Maybe just my son, maybe his son, maybe a stranger on the internet. I don't know. So you can watch me weld if and you want to. Till the battery dies. Got my blankie, got my air. Yeah. There's this air, I forget.
Whoa, that was cool. You better watch out, 'cause I'm a war machine. You better watch out, 'cause I'm a war machine. You better watch out, 'cause I'm a war machine.
Here. There's some air for you, for the crybabies. I think that looks pretty good. So thanks for watching. Now, I think I'm just about done with this side. I've been grinding it down and spraying it with some primer. And then we'll start on the next side. Geeky. Don't forget to subscribe, because, you know, I gotta live off of this $1.87 I'm making. Well, there you have it. Got it all tacked in all nice, welded all nice, and did the grinding. It's got a coat of that primer on it. It is the primer, the well-through primer, but I won't use it anymore. So looks like they could have done a little better job on those grinding down there, which I will. But overall, it's beautiful, and I could stand on it, I could jump on it, it ain't going nowhere. Now, for the passenger side.
That dude is the coolest ever. Yeah. Someday I'd like to be like that. You know? Yeah, that's cool. Beavis, life just keeps getting better. Hi.